you see me, guys?
100 feet turn left.
This time let's put seat belt. I think if I am fast enough, I will be able to do this delivery in 1 hour.
The destination on your left.
And now let's reverse because we have just arrived. Be careful, there is a car behind you. You don't want to make an accident, and there is this column in front of you. That's why I have this thing here. This is very helpful in these cases, you know, like it makes you make lots of good maneuvers in one area. Now I have 2 deliveries, which is an envelope number 22 and box number 30. Where is the envelope? Where is the envelope? Come on, boxes. 22. 22. That's 22. Box number 30. Yeah. It's house number 291, which is, I think, that one.
Navigation started. Continue east, then in 150 feet arrive at the destination.
This one is also around the corner here. I am not gonna put my seat belt. Okay.
Arrive at the destination.
To be honest, I am just running because I want to finish before sunset. 85. I want to finish before sunset. Just 85. What is 85? Oh shit. How should I know that? It's 90, 89. How should I know? Where are you? 89. See the location here gives me this corner is 85, while 85 in the end of the road, I guess. In the end of this road, so they will be 85. This is 83, this is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, and the location gives me the 85 in the end of that. That's it here. Oh, guys, that's so bad. Look here.
Navigation started. Then turn right.
In this job, if you are fast enough, you are gonna save yourself lots of time.
In 150 feet right.
So you need to be fast enough. Envelope 86. One envelopes, come on. Inside the car is a bit hot. Outside is cold. Can you imagine the struggle? 2018. Hello, do you see me?
Navigation started. Continue east, then turn left. 350 feet arrive at the destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
Alright, ebook 86. Here it is. And I think you are doing something wrong, guys. 101. How are you doing, guys? How should I do this? I'm gonna... Yes. Do it like this. There are children in that van, and I think... I don't want to assume bad things. I don't care.
Navigation started.
I don't want to assume bad things. $330. Slow down.